Okay. So here's I am scanning one pack of Camel, and the window pops up, but it only has one.
So you can see there's a search for a customer by phone number. And also, do not create, like you don't add a new customer every time. You might already have these customers. And those blank records, there's just customer records with nothing in them. Because you basically have no validation rules and just have allowed for customer, like those records have no name and no phone number. That's why they're blank. But if you just scroll, you'll see that there are a bunch of duplicate phone numbers, because if you're just creating a customer every time, that's what's going to happen. There's actually a button when you create new customer, the button before it, that's the one you want to click, the one that says search for customer by phone number. Then it'll find the customer if you have one, and you're going to start seeing all of your duplicates there. And if it doesn't, it'll just say create. So you don't have to go through this process that you're going through there. And let me demonstrate this on my Clover device. So here I grab my tobacco product, and here's what it looks like for me. Right, so I do have blank records too, but like you can see, this is a blank record. There's a customer there, it's just it doesn't have like the phone number or the name or anything else, but there is a customer there, so you can remove it. So let me start this again. What I was saying in the video is don't add a customer, just do a search by phone number. It'll do the same thing. So I'm gonna put in my phone number here like this, and it gives me all of my customers that have that phone number. See, no name given and then the phone number. And that's what you should be doing instead of adding a customer. Another thing you can also do is skipping this whole thing is turning on our age verification. Let me demonstrate. So right now I have the loyalty turned on, right? So this thing that's popping up, it's because of these programs here that I'm running, possibly for Reynolds here. Yeah, all of these. But if I go to age verification, it's turned off. Now, if I turn it on, and let me go ahead and just assign my items. I just want to make sure that my tobacco products are all selected. And it looks like they are. I will just grab this one too. So age 21. Alright, so hit save. So now my age verification is turned on, and what that does, it actually works together with the loyalty program, because look, when I scan this now, it says, do the driver's license scan. And let me demonstrate how that works. So when I scan my driver's license, it does the age verification, right? So there it is. And now it says loyalty customer. And because I've scanned my driver's license, it's gotten my name, it's gotten my date of birth, and in the past I've also entered my phone number, so now I no longer have to enter the phone number anymore. I just scan the driver's license and I don't have to deal with any of this customer assignment stuff. So at least stop creating the customer, do the search instead. That's gonna be a huge help. Right, so this is now age verification screen. Let me turn it off and go back to age verification and turn this off. And so that's going to pop up the loyalty screen now because my age verification is turned off. So I'm going to grab this, and here's the screen. So first of all, notice that you can scroll here. And if you scroll past the blank records, you might see some other records that aren't so blank. Mine is exactly the same way, and it's because there's a way to set it up so that no validation rules apply. Instead of adding a customer, do a search by phone number. That's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you. Or turn on the age verification, then it just bypasses this whole screen with age verification process, which also allows for searching by phone number. Let me demonstrate. So it's pretty robust how you can have these things configured. So I'm going to go back to age verification and I'm going to turn it on, and let's just do this real quick. 21, assign items, tobacco. Grizzly, save. All right, so now that I have this turned on, what I wanted to show you was this. Look, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna grab my Marlboro, and I can use returning customer, right? So this works backwards, 619-246-8236. So it's all right, so you have this customer, all of these customers have this phone number, pick one, right? So I'm picking this one, age verified. So because that particular customer that I picked had indeed scanned their driver's license before, we have their age. We no longer ask for their driver's license to be scanned. So it kind of works both ways. But it's up to you how you want to use it. But if the way that you're using it, just don't create a customer. Instead, just search for numbers.